Good morning students. You already learned SQL commands. Now we are going to do some problems related to SQL commands. We have two tables, Shopee and accessories. Shopee table contains ID, SName and area, and accessory table contains number, name, price and ID. First you write the SQL commands for the first four questions and next write the output of the SQL commands. First question, read the question carefully. First question, to display name and price of all the accessories in ascending order of their price. Select, its query, select name, comma price from which table? Accessories table. From accessories next order by price A is C. Order by clause is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. Next question, to display ID and name of all Shopee located in Nehru Place. Next, select ID, comma SName from Shopee where area equal to Nehru Place. Area equal to Nehru Place. Each statement ending with semicolon. Question, to display ID and SName of all Shopee located in Nehru Place. Its query is select ID, comma SName from Shopee where area equal to Nehru Place. Next question, to display maximum and minimum price of each item from the list of accessories. Query, select name, comma max of price, comma min of price from accessories. Question, to display maximum and minimum price of each item from the list of accessories. Score is select name, comma max price, comma min price from accessories. Next question, to display name, comma price of all accessories and their respective SName where they are available. Query, select name, comma price, comma name and price from accessories table and SName from Shopee table. Price, SName from accessories, comma Shopee where accessories dot ID equal to Shopee dot id. id is common to both tables. Question: to display name comma price of all accessories and their respective S name where they are available. It's SQL command select name comma price comma S name from accessories comma Shopee where accessories dot id equal to Shopee dot id. Next, output of SQL commands. First one, select distinct name. Distinct of name. Distinct keyword is used to remove duplicate rows from the result of select table. Here names are motherboard, hard disk, keyboard and mouse. Price greater than or equal to 5,000. Only two names, motherboard and hard disk. That is motherboard and hard disk. Question: select distinct of name from accessories where price greater than or equal to 5,000. Next question, select area comma count star from Shopee group by area. Here area is to be grouped. So areas are CP, GK2 and Nehru Place. How many CPs in area column? 1, 2. GK 2, 1 and Nehru Place 2. So its output is area count star. Area CP, then GK2, then Nehru Place. CP its count 2, GK2 its count 1, Nehru Place its count also 2. Next, select count of distinct area from Shopee. Count of distinct area. Count of distinct area from Shopee table. Area CP, GK2 and Nehru Place. So its count is 1, 2 and 3. So its output is 3. Question, select count of distinct area from Shopee. Output 3. Next question, select name comma price into 0.05 as discount from accessories where ID in S002 and S003. Name comma price into 0.05. Name as discount. From accessories where ID in S002 and S003. Here accessories table. Motherboard, its ID is S001. It is not necessary. Then hard disk, its ID is also S001. So it is not necessary. Next, keyboard, its ID is S002. 2. Keyboard. Its price into 500 into 0.05 is 25. Next, mouse. Its ID S001. Next, motherboard. Its ID S002. Motherboard. Motherboard. Its price into 0.5 is 650. Next, keyboard. Its ID is S003. So its price into 0.5 is 20. Question. Select name, price into 0.05 as discount from accessories table where ID in S002 and S003. Its output keyboard 24, its price is 25, motherboard 650, keyboard 20. Next question. Consider two tables, employee and sal grade. Employee contains E-code, name, DESIC, S-grade, DOJ and DOB, and sal grade contains S-grade, salary and HRA. First question. Write SQL commands for the following statement. First one, to display details of all employees in descending order of DOJ. Its syntax: select star from employee, order by DOJ DESC. Question. To display details of all employees in descending order of DOJ. Its syntax is select star from employee, order by DESC. Column is not mentioned, so we use star symbol. Next question. To display name, DESIC of those employees whose S grade is S0 or S03. Its syntax: select name, DESIC, name, DESIC from employee where S grade equal to S02 or S grade equal to S03. Question. To display name, DESIC of those employees whose S grade is either S02 or S03. Syntax: select name, DESIC from employee where S grade equal to S02 or S grade equal to S03. Third question. To display the content of the entire table whose DOJ is between 9th February 2006 and 8th August 2009. Its syntax is select star from, column name is not mentioned, so we use star symbol, employee where DOJ between 09 Feb 2006 and 8th August Next question, to add a row, new row. Its query is insert into employee values its statement is insert into employee values 109 Harish row comma etc. head IT etc. While inserting a row, if you are adding values for all the columns of the table, you need not specify the column name in the SQL query. But you need to make sure that the order of the value is in the same order as the column represented in the structure of the table. Next question, write the output of the following SQL commands. Select count sgrade, sgrade from employee group by sgrade. Its answers, count of sgrade, then sgrade. Count of sgrade and sgrade from employee table. Count of sgrade S03 2 S03 2, then S02 S03 2, then S02 2 times, then S01. Next question, select minimum DOB and maximum DOB from employee table. Minimum DOB 13 Jan 1980 and maximum DOJ 12 February 2010. Min DOB, max DOJ. Its minimum value is 13 Jan 1980 and maximum DOJ 12th February 2010. Next question. Select name comma salary from employee sal grade where E dot S grade equal to S dot grade S grade and E code grade less than 103. In this query displays name and salary from both the tables with E code less than 103. Its output is name and salary. Name Abdul Ahmad and salary 24,000. Next, JV Chandra, salary 32,000. Next question, select S grade comma salary plus HRA from sal grade where S grade equal to S02. In this query displays S grade and sum of salaries and HRA from the table sal grade with S grade equal to S02. Output is S grade salary plus HRA. S grade S02 salary 44,000. Thus we have come to end of this chapter.